Keep your weight forward. Sa, better. All right. But did you feel that first? Yeah, that first one was a little bit behind you, just a tiny bit behind. Yeah, more freedom, right? So it's a flap of a wing, right? So it's got to have a breath to it as it goes up. Yeah, so it's not going to go even, right? It's going, bah, yeah. Sa. Finish that second spot. Sit right up on that leg. Boom, boom, there. Woo! All right, show off. Isn't it magical when you get your weight and the spot and everything right? That was gorgeous. Do you want to see it? Because you just want to see it look like it, right? I thought that was really good. And I saw you make the adjustments, right? And those were nice. I loved them. But you were so, like it was there, you know, and the head was free. That's some of the best turning I've seen you do on point. Yeah, that was really nice. It's that whatever your last spot is. See, it's bringing you around, right? Every time you do that, good things happen. The attitude turns, the you know, fouettés, all of that. When you free this up, yeah, that was gorgeous, Jada. Way to go.